All right, so this video is drawing letters in two-point perspective, and we are all going to be doing the letter ARTS. It's just something I chose because, well, I don't know, it relates to art, but it also has some of the basic letters, and, you know, one letter might be challenging, S, maybe even the R. So we're going to do the letters ARTS. And you can see that I started with a horizon line through the center and two vanishing points off to the sides. I have my center line, which determines my left side and my right side. Since I'm doing the letters ARTS, I only have 4 letters, which means I can have pretty even on the left and even on the right. And what I'm going to start with is the face of the letters. Now, I've made a great big triangle, or excuse me, diamond shape. A and R over here, T and S over here, but I need to block in where these letters are going to go. So the first 2 lines I'm drawing are going to establish the face of the letter A right here. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'm going to draw the face of the letter R in this space. Now, I could take this all the way and say, okay, that's the letter R, but I'm going to, just for ease of explaining, I'm going to leave this as A here, R here. I'm now on the right side. So I'm going to draw 2 lines again for the T here, space, and last one being the S. Okay, that's a little big for my T, but I'm going to leave it in for now. All right, so for my first letter A, I'm going to keep all of these very blocky, starting with the A. And what I'm doing is finding the center of this rectangle, and I'm going to go up from the center to find it right about here. Now there's the center, but I want to start with 2 dots left and right of the center. Hopefully you can see those. They're pretty dark now. All right. I am going to connect these 2 center dots to the left bottom area. I want to keep this, again, very blocky and very uniform. So I'm going to use parallel lines for the left side of my A. Okay, as parallel as I can get them anyway. Then I'm going to do the same thing over to the right. Now this is the top of the A, this is the left side of the A, and if I put 2 dots here, you'll see that I can connect it here, going up, and here. All right, this one I didn't draw it all the way just so you could see it. Now, if we turn it this way, it's a V. All right, to make it into an A though, we got to have it right side up, and then we're going to draw the middle bar here. Well, the middle bar has to go to the left-hand vanishing point, so I'll connect it here and here. All right, so there's your A. With a lot of erasing, hopefully you can see it. There's the A. Okay, I'm going to do the R now. Well, this is the actual left side of my R. My line is not that vertical here. I can see that now. All right, so I need some thickness to my R. So there's the left side, and there's the left thickness right there. All right, I'm going to make the top of my R here, and then with another line using the left-hand vanishing point going up. And as you can see, these lines are going to get wider as they come up. All right, so there's the left side, the top. Now I need to draw the starting with the right side. It's going to look like a P to begin with. I'll make that line kind of dark so you can see. And then I go down. All right, probably should have been a little bit thicker there because it should be thicker than this line. I'm going to change that just a little bit. And so I come down with a vertical line. All right, and then I can go to the left-hand vanishing point. And I'm going to use this line as a guide, and you can see with a couple of lines erased here and there, we have the letter P. All right, so that's how you would draw a P. Well, I'm going to make this into an R. So to make it into an R, I need a leg on it, and I'm going to put 2 dots here to show you. I'm going to go with these 2 dots connecting down to these 2 dots. And again, I want to keep this as parallel as possible. So go up, left dot to left dot, right dot to right dot, and there you go. Easily said and done is an R. All right, I'm going to stop this right now so I don't have a really long video, but there's your A and your R for the ART.